The human heart is the central organ of the circulatory system. It functions as a muscular pump that circulates blood throughout the body, ensuring the transport of oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and the removal of waste products like carbon dioxide. The heart is roughly the size of a clenched fist and is located in the thoracic cavity, between the lungs, slightly towards the left. It is enclosed by a protective sac called the pericardium. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers, the right atrium and left atrium, and 2 lower chambers, the right ventricle and left ventricle. It also has 4 main valves that regulate blood flow. The tricuspid valve between right atrium and right ventricle, the pulmonary valve between right ventricle and pulmonary artery, the mitral or bicuspid valve between left atrium and left ventricle, and the aortic valve between left ventricle and aorta. The heart follows a double circulation system: pulmonary circulation between heart and lungs, and systemic circulation between heart and rest of the body. Here's how the blood flows. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. The right atrium contracts, pushing blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle pumps this blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which takes it to the lungs. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. The oxygenated blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, forcing blood through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. Finally, the left ventricle contracts powerfully and sends the oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, distributing it to the entire body. This continuous cycle maintains life by nourishing cells and removing waste. The heart has its own electrical system that controls the heartbeat. The sinoatrial node, also called the pacemaker, generates electrical impulses. These impulses spread across the atria, causing them to contract. Then, the signal reaches the atrioventricular node and passes through the bundle of His and Purkinje fibers, causing the ventricles to contract. This coordinated contraction ensures blood is pumped efficiently. In summary, the heart ensures continuous blood circulation in 2 loops, to the lungs and to the body. Its rhythmic beating and well-structured valves maintain one-way blood flow. Understanding its functioning is crucial for diagnosing and treating cardiovascular diseases. Thanks for watching. Remember, a healthy heart means a healthy life. Keep learning and stay curious.